Hey YouTube, it's like 12 at night and I'm just like fucking tired. But yeah, if you're wondering about the cigar, I got that when I was like, I don't know, a couple months old. And yeah, when I was like 12 at night, I'm just fucking tired. Can't sleep. That's just fucked. Yeah, can't sleep. Best band ever is Escape the Fate. What is it? Just really like them. But yeah, midnight video. I got nothing good to do. Sorry to say. But yeah, this is gonna be a minute long video. So, good night and